You were not born into money. No rich uncle, no trust fund, just pressure bills and a family tree full of survival mode. But one day you become the first millionaire in your bloodline. You realize something most people never do. Your family did not lose because they were lazy. They lost because nobody taught them the game. They were taught, work hard, stay safe, do not take risks. Meanwhile, rich people were buying assets, building businesses, and making money work while they slept. Soft piano pause, and suddenly you cannot unsee the power of compounding. This is the part nobody posts on Instagram. You become obsessed. While everybody else is spending money to look rich, you are staying broke on purpose. You start investing tiny amounts, $50, $100. At first it feels pointless, but then something dangerous happens. Your money starts making money, and suddenly you cannot unseen the power of compounding. The hardest part is not the work, it is becoming different from the people you love. You stop chasing validation, you stop buying things to impress broke people, and for a while it gets lonely. But deep down, you know what is at stake. You are not just trying to get rich, you are trying to end generations of financial struggle. The first big win changes everything. Not because of the money, but because it proves you were right. You realize money is not about flexing. It is about removing fear. For the first time in your life, you stop panicking every time your phone rings. Then one day, quietly, it happens. Your investments cross 7 figures. And weirdly, the moment feels peaceful, because the real reward was never the money. It was the person you became to earn it. You became disciplined, focused, patient. Traits nobody in your bloodline had the luxury to develop before. The biggest difference between poor and rich people is not intelligence, it is time horizon. Poor people ask, what feels good today? Wealthy people ask, the first millionaire in the family always looks crazy in the beginning, because breaking cycles never looks normal. Rule number 1, increase your income before obsessing over saving. Rule number 2, buy assets every single month, even when it feels small. Rule number 3, stop trying to look rich. Rule number 4, protect your environment. Negative people can destroy millionaire potential faster than bad investments. And rule number 5, play the long game. Most people quit right before life changes forever. Rule number 4, protect your environment. Negative people can destroy millionaire potential faster than bad investments. One day somebody in your family will talk about you. They will say, everything changed when you decided to think differently. That's what being the first millionaire in your bloodline really means. Not money, freedom, options, a new future. So if nobody believes in your vision, yet good. Every empire starts with one person willing to look crazy long enough. Subscribe to Empire Money because your future family is depending on decisions you make today.